Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how you can clear the code. This is the Jeep. I have Jeep Cherokee 1996. So engine light was on, and then I will show you how you can clear the code. This is the this is the guy that is gonna help. Code reader, and I am gonna use this, but you can use some other one, but I have this and I would like to use this guy. So let's go ahead and yeah, yeah, this is the one that you're just gonna put this right here and just go ahead and put it right, and then okay, now that's what we're gonna do. Just get the key and just go turn the ignition on, but do not start the engine. Just ignition turn on, as you hear the voice like this. Yeah, that's it. And then, as you see right there, I'm gonna use this guy now, code cleaner. Yeah. So, what we're gonna do, just press OK and go diagnose right there. Give it OK. And then, not this OBD, not this option, but second option, go ahead and give OK. And go ahead, let's find the code first. Okay, click the system scan. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now as you see, it gives the options, automatic or manual select. We go the automatic. Click OK. Let's go and see. Just trying to. Okay, what is that? Engine power control model. Yeah, it's diagnosed now. Let's say click OK, press OK, and as you see the read trouble codes. You wanna read the what's trouble? Let's click OK, and trouble is P0340. No camshaft position sensor detected. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna clear the code and go escape. And then go, there is two options. One, read the trouble codes. The second option is clear trouble codes. Now go ahead and highlight the clear trouble codes and just click OK. And here you are. Are you sure? Clear trouble code, select yes. So which means we're gonna go and select yes. Let's see. Yes, right there already, right? If you say no, yes. Yes, you just say okay. Okay, clear. Yeah, clear.